Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your Canon EOS R10. So it's going to be extremely simple, but of course we have a different day-to-day cases. You could just go ahead and tweak a couple of settings depending on your situation and environment. So generally I want to apply this setting. First things first, let's talk about the photo settings. For image quality, you want to use Crow. Basically we have the best balance of quality and file size. For shutter mode, you want to select elect first curtain, which prevents motion blur from shutter vibrations. For the AF operation, you want to set it to servo. We have the continuous focus for moving subjects. And for the subject detection, you want to use people or animals with eye detection on. For the touch and drag AF, you want to enable this. Basically, it moves focus points via the screen while using the viewfinder. Now for the video format setting, for resolution, you want to use 4K, 24 frames or 24p or 30 FPS, no crop, and then you want to use 60p for slow motion with slight crop. For the digital IS, you want to turn this on or enhance for handheld vlogging, and the motion server AF is enabled for smooth tracking. Now as a quick tip, you want to use auto ISO with a max limit of 6400 to keep your images clean. And for dial mode, I suggest using FB, which is the flexible priority AE. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.